Hi guys, happy Tuesday. We're going to do a couple things today. We're going to jump into a pre-reading for the book that we're starting today, Save Me a Seat. We're also going to go over a new root word, and then I'm going to show you where you can listen or read the book and where to answer your comprehension questions. So first, let's start off with this pre-reading activity. We're going to look closely at the cover of that novel. What do you think this book could be about? So just take a good hard look. What do you think? I don't know about you, but I noticed different foods. So this looks very American and this maybe not, okay? I also noticed the names of the authors, okay? I think Save Me a Seat. I think a cafeteria maybe, okay? A new friend could be sitting right next to you. I want you to think about that, okay? For my virtual kiddos, obviously, or it could be in Zoom class with you, okay? Or somebody that you know. Joe and Robbie might be from very different places, but they're both stuck in the same place, school. These are going to be our two main characters, Joe and Robbie, okay? Joe's lived in the same town all of his life, and he was doing just fine. He was doing just fine until his best friends moved away, and he's kind of a loner. Robbie's family moved to America from a country called India, and he's finding it pretty hard to figure out where he fits in. Joe and Ravi don't think that they have anything in common, but soon enough, they have a common enemy, the biggest bully in their class. We're going to talk about that. They also have a common mission to take control of their lives over the course of a single crazy week. So this book is going to take place over 1 week. We're going to read it over a couple, though. If you want, you can meet the authors. You can go back and click on this right here and watch that video. Now that you get the picture and see what our purpose is in reading this, or what do you think our purpose is in reading this? Why do you think it's important for us to read this? Okay. And then there's a couple of videos. I did post this on Buzz if you would like to look at some of these videos. Okay. All right. Sorry. All right. We're going to jump into some root words starting this week. Root words are just going to be parts of words that have meanings, okay? And we're going to use them to kind of decode some words. So our first one is ASTR, aster, and it means star, okay? So an example of a word that we use this in right here, okay? An asterisk. This is a symbol that we use in our printed text or when we write, okay, to tell somebody that a note can be found at the bottom of the page, and it looks like this. It's like a star. Next, we have asteroid. We know what this is. It's a minor planet. It's one of the thousands of small bodies that circle the sun. Okay, again, we have aster right there. We have astronaut. This is a person who travels into outer space in a spacecraft, okay? Or toward the stars, okay, because we know ASTR means star. Astronomer, that's somebody who studies stars, planets, other objects in outer space. We have astronomical. One definition for this is extremely large, like the electricity bill was astronomical during December because we hung so many Christmas lights, or two of or relating to astronomy, okay? So do we see how all of these words do have something to do with stars, okay? So what you guys are going to do today, okay, you are going to go into your class. Give me 1 second to get this set up. Sorry, my computer's a little slow. All right, so you're going to scroll down to week 13, and if you open that and you look at the Tuesday folder, okay, you guys should have a couple of things. You should have that slideshow. I'm also going to put the pre-reading in there. Here's a digital copy of our book, so if you'd rather read, actually you can click here, or these are the videos where you can listen to the first 2 chapters. Then there will be comprehension questions with this. That is what I want you to complete today. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email and we will get everything taken care of, okay? So you're going to listen to those 2 chapters or read, or both if you want to follow along, that's totally fine, okay? If you have any questions about the comprehension, they're both pretty simple. You're just going to compare and contrast our 2 main characters. If you have any questions, please, please, please let me know.